Polite disagreements, that's one way to see it. Here's RFP thinking about it. I can see why you think that, but my view is a little different. I agree with part of what you said, though I'd urge. You raise a valid point, but I like to challenge that a bit. I respect that opinion, but I lean in another direction. That's fair, though I interpret it differently. I understand your logic, but I'm not completely convinced. That's one interpretation. Here is another to consider. I think we might be looking at this from different angles. I hear you, though I see some potential issues with that. You bring up something important, but I'd add this detail. Interesting, I hadn't thought of it that way, still I wonder if. I get the idea, but here's what makes me hesitate. That's a valid concern, but I think there is another side to it. I respect that view, though I'm not sure I fully agree. I see your point, but can we look at this from another perspective? You might be right, but I have a slightly different impression. I like where you're going, but maybe we could tweak it a bit. You make a strong case, though I have a few doubts. That's an idea worth thinking about, but I'd caution one part of it. I hear what you're saying, but that's not how I've experienced it. I'm not entirely sure I agree, but I get your reasoning. That's true to some extent, though I'd urge a different view. We might be seeing this from different contexts. I appreciate your insight. Here's another thought.